Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated to my latest videos.
Welcome to this tutorial on how to create human-like blogs using the Gravity Write AI content writing tool. Gravity Write offers a variety of features to enhance your content creation process, and today we'll explore its powerful blog tools. In this tutorial, we'll cover the following steps: blog topic ideas, blog outline, blog content, image brief for blog. Let's get started with the first step, that is blog topic ideas. Open Gravity Write and start a new project. Enter your relevant keywords for your blog topic. Click on Advanced Settings to access more options. Select the desired language. Click on Create. Gravity Write will generate a list of blog topic ideas based on your keywords. You can choose the one that suits you best for your next blog. Step 2. Creating a blog outline. In your Gravity Write project, enter your chosen blog topic. Again, click on Advanced to access advanced options. Select the language for your blog. Click on Create Content. Gravity Write will generate an outline for your blog, helping you structure your thoughts and ideas effectively. Step 3. Generating blog content. Enter your blog topic and the outline provided. Select the language you want your content in. Choose the tone for your blog, whether it's friendly, professional, casual, confident, playful, ironic, serious, or warm. Click on Create Content. Gravity Write will generate the main body of your blog content. Save it in a document file and make any necessary updates to the title or content. Step 4. Creating an image brief for your blog. Enter your blog outline in Gravity Write. Click on Create Content. Gravity Write will generate multiple image prompts to enhance your blog post with visuals. These prompts can be used with other image-generating AI tools like Midjourney or Bluewillow. Now, let's use Bluewillow to generate images for your blog. Open Discord and access the Bluewillow bot. Type the image prompt generated by Gravity Write. Update the aspect ratio from 16:9 to 3:2, as Bluewillow doesn't create images in 16:9. Press Enter and wait for a while. You'll receive a notification in your inbox. Navigate to the image variations created, select one, upscale it, and download it to your drive. Repeat this process to generate more images for your blog. Final steps: publishing your blog. Now that you have your blog content and images ready, open your website editor and start a new blog post. Add a compelling blog title. Paste the blog content generated by Gravity right into the body section. Insert the images you created using Bluewillow. Upload a featured image for your blog post. Finally, upload your blog to your website. Congratulations! You've just created a human-like blog that doesn't look like it was written by AI. Your audience will appreciate your creativity and valuable content. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to create engaging blogs with Gravity Write and enhance them with visuals using Bluewillow. Now, you can produce high-quality content quickly and efficiently. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more content creation tips. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below. Happy blogging!
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. Thanks again, and I will see you in the next video.